with the other nearby UP, Ghaziabad, Noida, and then I said that Rajasthan and all. So that is including 40,000 square kilometer. So it has already, NCR has grown and beyond their limit. Now it cannot include more population, but still the population is coming. Therefore we can say that locational analysis can help to a higher extent, in which I said that creating an other functional reason to reduce the pressure from the people coming into this region. Understood? And which are the states the government is concentrating? यूपी, हरियाणा, उत्तराखंड, ये नोट्स में नहीं है, लिख लेना आप लोग, उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान, MP. Understood? So they are concentrating on what? Increasing another functional reason to this. Clear? Now we have studied UP, we have studied Delhi. पढ़ लिया हमने दिल्ली को. Our government and our geographers have studied the functionality of Delhi or not? So can I say that it is an empirical evidence, experimental evidence? Yes or not? We have studied Mumbai, we have studied Pune, we have studied Chennai, we have studied other growth regions. Yes? And thereafter we can, those empirical data we are utilizing. Yes or not? Also that kind of physical planning in Indian context. So locational analysis is based on the observation of data and essential to validate any theoretical statement. I said that. तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया? वो theory and laws तो मुझे मिल चुका है. Yes, and then now we are doing locational analysis based on empirical observation of data. तो हमने दिल्ली का observation empirical लिया, experimental, and then we are essential to validate. अब उसके basis पे हम देखेंगे कहाँ पर कितना validate कर सकते हैं and how much we can reset. How much validate or how much reset. Understood? Any theoretical statement for the physical planning we are doing. Yes. So locational analysis is based on empirical data of observation, and then those, and there it is giving us an idea about which are essential to validate and which are essential to reset. Understood? Clear? Got it? What is locational analysis? Yes, it is focusing on spatial arrangement, and with the help of which philosophy? Positivism and quantitative technique. Understood? And with the help of this positivism, और थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना होगा तो positivism, which is causing the science, and then and quantitative techniques are giving us a method, accounting method. There is an, I said that which method? There is a statistical method, models, and with the help of those methods we are able to finalize and giving us, yes, theories and laws. And these theories and laws are helping in making a physical planning of any region of the what? World or India. Thereafter we have been able to see who has said that it is in a science of location on the basis, and the great propounder and great follower of this locational theory and quantitative relation, Mr. Bunge, has said that geography as a location of science. किसी को भी वो किसके तरह देख रहा है? Location of science. And thereafter I said, then we can be able to say, like I said, फिर हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? This is clear to all of you. And फिर one example you can quote, like I said, that this physical planning can be what is utilized in the formation of some physical planning in the real world. We are utilizing in the form of, I said, reducing the pressure from Delhi NCR, and then forming some other what is to reduce the pressure to other functional reason, to other. अच्छा ध्यान में रखिएगा, I said locational analysis is embedded in the form of functional. ये functional के form में, yes or not? Formal reason नहीं है, it is in which reason? Functional. Formal reason आप जानते हैं, mountains, plateaus, state division, cities and all. So it is embedded in functional reason, and therefore we are utilizing in the forming of other growth of functional reason in the Rajasthan, MP, Haryana, UP, and in the region of what? Uttarakhand. Understood? But it should not be religious. Religious and military cantonment should not be there. क्योंकि religious and military cantonment can never be a functional reason, can never be a what? So it cannot be able to attract large number of people. It cannot be able to attract. So the religious and military cantonment, it is not enough kind of, I said that, functional reason. Understood? So I said that spatial arrangement क्या focus कर रहा है? It is in a spatial organization. Its key concepts are embedded into the which reason? Functional reason. Understood? Movement of people, ये आप जान रहे होंगे. Movement people are organized through such nodal centers. Which are the nodal centers? Surrounding metropolitan, what are there? Yes? Metropolitan cities are there. Surrounding cities, what are there? Towns are there. Surrounding towns, there will be what? Village, and surrounding village, there will be hamlets. Understood? और यही study, यही hierarchy, further it will help in the regional planning to understand growth pole, growth centers and all. I said that, and different classification. So again I said that movement of people are organized through such nodal centers. तो moving hamlet people किधर move करता है? Village area, maximum nearby town. Yes, and then you must be knowing that village areas are moving towards the town, and for higher values functions they move towards the, I said that, even cities or even metropolitan cities. वो लोग education के लिए village area people are coming to the, what is it? If the function is very high, the high value function के they will travel long distances. For low value function they will travel smaller distance. बिस्किट करने के लिए क्या दिल्ली आओगे? You will come to the nearby region. So I said that, but if you want to have a best and higher education, you will travel toward the longer distances. So there is a movement along the nodal centers. Yes or not? I said that what is a spatial arrangement? I said a spatial organization, its key concept is embedded in the functional reason, and we can say that the movement of people are organized, completely organized. In which form? Through nodal centers, and these nodes are structured hierarchically. Yes or not? Movements are along what? I said that key concept is what? And movement of functional region, and it is organized through such. So movement of people is organized through the what? Nodal centers. Understood? Simple. आज भी हम लोग central place theory में बोलते हैं, and हमने क्या बोला था? First theory in the behavioral aspect it has been given by whom? And mathematical aspect, sorry, central place theory. Yes or not? Thereafter Weber's combination method has been given. Yesterday we have seen the quantitative revolution. So we have been able to see these nodes are structured hierarchically and producing system of cities, towns, villages, etc. whose spatial arrangement followed the fundamental principle. तो actual में आपको ये भी एक क्या है आपका? It is your what? Spatial analysis, locational analysis. Understood? So we have been able to see. So हम लोग कह सकते हैं what is locational analysis? Locational analysis is focuses on, yes, spatial arrangement, and it is based on the philosophy of, और इसमें spatial arrangement of what? ये सारा चीज कर देंगे. Spatial arrangement of this, इसको extend कर देंगे. And it is its a philosophy is based on positivism and quantitative techniques. And in the quantitative techniques, which are the method you have to say? Which are the method? First, it is, I said that, nomothetic approach, which is replacing ideographic. Second one, I said that accounting method, in which there is an instrumental measurement scale we have seen, and these are what? Nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. These are the scales. And thereafter we have seen accounting method. This is the accounting method. Thereafter statistical method. In the statistical method, descriptive. Thereafter I said that which one? Inferential. And then for third one we have seen, I said, mathematical. So statistical method, descriptive, inferential, descriptive, inferential and mathematical, and then we have seen model. So three methods are there: accounting, statistical and models. These are the three. And यहाँ पे फिर इसको भी लिख सकते हैं. And then we have been able to see with the help of this quantity technique and positivism, that is in a scientific approach, help us to give us theories and law for this spatial arrangement. And these theories and law are applied in the preparing and fiscal planning of a given region. Understood? And then we can be able to see that this fiscal planning, I said that is that it is for a particular, from the particular area, these theories and laws are able to provide us what is an empirical data based on observation. And some of them are what is I said that validating, and some of them are what rejecting. आप दिल्ली को स्टडी करोगे और इसी को लेकर जाओगे राजस्थान में डालोगे, तो that will be the same kind of structure will create, yeah, some kind of social, some kind of physical feature surrounding will be different and all, and then minerals availability and all, it will be then your planning will be little different. So it will be some validating and some are rejecting. Understood? That we have seen. Thereafter we have seen that this spatial arrangement analysis is completely embedded in the functional reason. And this functional reason has if you see, there is a movement of people from one nodal center to the another nodal centers. So different nodes they are moving, and in the form of hierarchy, in the form of, so the movement from the in the network form, movement in the network form is happening from one node to another. Movement in the network, these are networks, in the networks, in from one node to the another node, in the one node to another node, and it is what? Hierarchically. And that is explaining who? Locational analysis. Who is? तो आप सेंट्रल प्लेस थ्योरी को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? इसी तरीके से डिफाइन करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? तो डेफिनेशन ऑफ लोकेशनल एनालिसिस यू कैन गिव ना, यस्टरडे आई हैव गिवन कि एलन प्रेड ने नॉर्मेटिव वैल्यू को क्या दिया था? क्रिटिसिज्म. यस, व्हाट इज द नॉर्मेटिव वैल्यू थ्योरी बेस्ड जो नॉर्म्स, जितने भी लोकेशन थ्योरी जितने भी नॉर्म्स लेते हैं उसको किसने क्रिटिसाइज किया था? बिहेवियरल ज्योग्राफी में एलन प्रेड थ्रू द बिहेवियरल मैट्रिक्स. याद है ना? लॉजिकल इनकंसिस्टेंसी एंड ऑल. सो वो वाले भी आपको इसमें क्रिटिसिज्म में आपको यू हैव टू राइट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द मॉडल्स एंड थ्योरीज फॉर लोकेशनल एस्पेक्ट्स. इंडस्ट्रियल लोकेशन, एग्रीकल्चरल लोकेशन, एनीथिंग यू आर डूइंग, सो आपको सारा कुछ वहां पे व्हाट इज एन लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन एंड ऑल, ह्यूमन एबिलिटी एंड ऑल, logical inconsistency and then motivation, and then I said that human ability. These three things he has what criticized. He did not criticize, he has given his argument. Understood? And that it is you have to utilize here also. So locational analysis, कल भी मैंने बताया था कि locational analysis is completely based on assumption, norms. याद है ना? जब भी आप industrial location theory when you start, there will be some kind of what? Norms. What will be there? Some kind of norms. Understood? और उस norms के बाद then the theory starts making isotropic surface. Understood? Everywhere transportation cost is constant. Yes? तेज पहला दो लाइन तो जरूर रहता है. Man is what? Optimizer, economic man, rational. It could be possible, not. तो ये सारे पहले पॉइंट से सारे बोल देते हैं and thereafter they start. तो ये सारी चीजों को इन्होंने क्या किया? नॉर्मेटिव वैल्यू थ्योरीज को उन्होंने क्या किया था? एलन प्रेड हैज व्हाट क्रिटिसाइज्ड यस्टरडे. अंडरस्टूड? सो थ्रू द बिहेवियरल मैट्रिक्स एंड बिहेवियरल मैट्रिक्स और बिहेवियरल थ्योरी जो है अपने आप में ही ट्राई टू गिव एन थ्योरी अगेंस्ट द लोकेशनल थ्योरी. यस और नॉट? बिहेवियरल एंड लोकेशन थ्योरी बेस्ड ऑन बिहेवियर एंड लोकेशन हैज बीन गिवन अगेंस्ट द लोकेशन थ्योरी. अंडरस्टूड? तो बिहेवियरल ज्योग्राफी मैंने कल पढ़ा दिया था, लेकिन लोकेशनल एनालिसिस के अगेंस्ट वो आया था. अंडरस्टूड? आई सेड दैट. सो कंप्लीटली ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू सी द स्मॉल क्रिटिसिज्म अबाउट इट. सो